Hi guys, welcome back to Sportdoria channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to set the home page in the Google Chrome in Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? If you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. First, we go the Chrome here. After that, you can click the three dots in the upper of the corner. You can click settings. Scroll away until you find the home page here, and if you turn on, you can set the home page in your Google Chrome. Turn on. You can see is a choose about the blue one and set the Chrome's home page. Okay, go back to the home, and the home page in the Google Chrome on Android is turned on. Okay, this is a tutorial how to set the home page in Google Chrome on Android. I hope this video is useful for you, and thank you.